In the newly unveiled glimpse of the forthcoming episode, Heeju receives a message from Sa-Eon asking if she wants him to bring her some things to eat, to which she smiles and replies, "Tteokbokki would be nice," but his immediate response of "too spicy" makes her firm and tight. Then how about chickens, only to have him reply, "Oily things are not good for you," prompting her to persist with something sweet. Then, though his next message, "Not good to raise your blood sugar level," leaves her staring at the screen, muttering under her breath, if nothing works, then why is he even asking? In that moment, the distant wail of a police siren differs through her window, making Heeju push before quickly type, "When are you coming?" And as Sa-Eon's phone buzzes with her messages, his lips curve into a grin, her questions feeling like invitations that tugs at his heartstrings. And already in the car, he glances at her messages again, his happiness blooming with every turn of the wheel as he speeds to her side.